Alright, this is my movies MVC application. We have some movies here that we could edit the movie with if we wanted to, and save it. We have details, shows the details of the movie. We could delete a movie, delete this Joseph movie. We could filter by genre as well as by city, or sorry, by title. Sort of. And I could create new ones. When I create a new one, let me just go through that really quick. This is a drop down. Do history 1023, and you see that it got created right here. And this even gets updated with the history genre that was there. So filter. So yeah, that's my MVCMovie app working. I do apologize, I don't have the sorting by the release date or the image working, but hopefully in the future I'll get that going. Thank you.